Hello and welcome to Future Genius. And today we discuss steps to create smart contract to transfer currency from one account to another account.
First, we will open the Remix ID. Now, in Remix ID, once you click on this, you will be seeing this kind of interface. Now, in this interface, click on the contacts and create a new file. Name it as eth.solidity. Once you create this, now you will get this type of interface here. First, we need to declare the current version of the Solidity compiler, which is for that we will write pragma and Solidity, then current version, which is 0.8.20. Now we will create a contract, and for this we will have to name a contract. So we will write this as contract, and the name of contract, let's say transfer. Now here we will create a log keeper. So to create a log keeper for each transaction, we need to write event which creates a log for every transaction that is to be done on the chain. And let us name this as a transfer. Now we will write parameters in it as address, index, from. And another parameter will be address, index, to, and the amount. For it, we will write UNT 56 amount. So here, what this index refers. So basically, the index is used to locate the transaction with particular address when once the log file has been created. So now we will create a function here which will let's say send, and the parameters will be address. Now here, in order to transfer, we need to write it as a payable and receiver. Sorry, and public, so that it is visible to all, and again a payable. Now first, in order to transfer, we need to check whether the desired amount is greater than or greater than 0 or not. So for that we will write a check, so like require, and here the condition will be message dot value. Here this message refers to the current uh, value in the smart contract, which is greater than 0, and if not, we will write an error message which is value and will be 0. Once done, we will write this receiver. So this is the end of the code. Now let us see what require do. So basically require is type of a if else block. If the condition, if this is the condition, if this condition is satisfied, it will transfer the control here. It will transfer the control here, and if not, it will show this message and return from this only. So yeah, this is the basic code for the Ethereum transfer from one local account to another. So let us first run this. Uh, Sorry. So yeah, you can see here we have compiled it. Now click here deploy and run transactions. Now you will see this interface where this is the environment. Here environment refers to the different types of environment where if you select the first, you will be redirected to the connection with the Metamask. This is by default which is used for the test network. Similarly, these both are same but are different or are on the different networks, but they act as a test network. If you have other wallets rather than MetaMask, then you can use this. And if you have a particular block ID, you can connect it with this. And these are other two IDs such as Remix. You can directly transfer your code from hard hat provider and a foundry provider to Remix ID. So now moving to the next instance, it is account. Here the account refers, let us see, here it contains this many accounts. So by default, let's we select this. Then this is the gas limit. So what is gas? So basically, gas is the transaction fee after each transaction is carried out. And the gas limit is the amount of gas which a user is ready to pay for the transaction. So by default, it is this much. But you can customize it with custom. But let's repeat this. So now this is the value. So the value is the amount of ether you need to transfer. So this is V. V is the smallest unit of the ether, followed by the GV and the penny. Uh, the unit increases in size when we move downwards, and the ether, which is the most which is the biggest unit in the system. So let us select ether only. Uh, this is the contract name and referring to the contract we are currently using. So now we will deploy this contract. Here you can see the contract has been deployed. Now you will able to find this here. So now let us test. So first let us transfer 2 ether from this account to the we want to transfer in this account. So from this one. So let us first copy the address of the previous one and move to the another one. And now paste the copied address here and click on the send. See, you can see that this amount of ether has been transmitted, and to cross check, we should check here. See here it is 97.99. Before it was something 99, which was deducted due to the deployment fee, and the other one, and the amount in which it is and the account in which it is transferred has been from 100 to 101.9999. So yeah, this is how we can transfer this. And so yeah, thank you for watching.